So this is the new WagonR with accessories worth 45,000. Okay, so what do you get for 45,000? You have a spoiler. It's a white car. Black spoiler. And then you have this beading going around. It's in white color. And then you have this amazing alloys in glossy black. And then you have this cladding going all the way around the car in black. You have the rain noises again in black and white. Yeah. And then you have skid plate here in orange. See how amazing it looks. Almost like an SUV. And then in the front you get this. So again, black and white plates. But still you don't get the fog lamps. And then inside the seat covers in orange and black. And then this is, you have the steering wrapped in leather grip. And then you have some wood finish on the meter on the gear, around the gear, AC knobs, and if you can notice even on the grab handles on the front doors, back doors, everywhere. See that? So all of, and then yes, the mat is also in black and orange. So all this kit is for 45,000 on a new WagonR.